All right, the Retros, the High Notes, and finally, the Kingfish. Watch closely, folks. They're ready. Our contestants will race to riches in quick cash. The first to reach the cash goal will claim victory.
Remember, last season, a lot of teams won by prioritizing teamwork. Sends a clear message that it's game time.
Hold on to your result bucket hats. Brought to you by Result. The Retros are in a vulnerable position. Ouch, the Kingfish suffered a wipeout.
They'll need to learn to swim with the sharks out there.
The Kingfish are back in play. Member of the Kingfish can avoid a team wipe. The Retros are partying like it's 2029. They've started our first cash out.
With an impressive turnaround.
Someone is going to be singing the blues as the High Notes steal a cash out.
Risky moves reap rewards.
Deploying a surprise!
Kingfish are playing for keeps. They've snagged the match's first cash out. Please. The high notes are opening Vault 2.
Sonar grenade out!
Contestants might want to hug those Nama Tama plushies because an event is about to shake things up in the arena.
The Retros have succumbed to multiple eliminations.
This event not only amps up the damage in the arena, but it also amps up the excitement for our fans.
Enemy up there! Cash out underway thanks to the high notes.
Planting explosives! Charge them!
There's time left in our mega damage event, and surprisingly, some structures in the arena are still standing.
Sonar grenade!
The Kingfish will need to come back from that wipeout. The Kingfish are back in action.
Outgoing sonar check!
And that's the end of the mega damage event.
Payday for the high notes. Cash out complete. I love the smell of a fresh vault in the arena. We are halfway through now. The anticipation is driving me crazy.
Our sponsors must be thrilled with the performance so far. I'm sure they're eager to see what the second half brings.
Some action in the arena as the Retros are opening a Vault 3.
Throwing sonar grenade!
The Retros' last remaining contestant has a lot of weight on their shoulders now. high notes have upped their pace.
Scanning that area. Gas line dropped.
Shield, hurry inside!
Kingfisher grabbed the lead. In a regal maneuver, the Kingfish stole a cash out. The Kingfish are back and ready to avenge that team wipe. The High Notes have grabbed the lead. Impressive steal by the High Notes.
But will there be consequences?
Tossing a sonar. Mind the mine. Toxic trap set. Sonar grenade out.
An amazing show of skill, but we are out of time. A big thanks to our sponsors for bringing us this incredible spectacle, and a big congratulations to our winners.